How are you guys doing today? I wanted to show you a couple paintings dry and ask you if you're interested in seeing me resin these dry paintings. I did the video on this one you guys saw, and I love it. It's so soft and pretty. And it's the pearl paint, which you really need to resin to be able to see in the light. And this one as well with the pearl paint. They dried so super gorgeous. I just love them. And then there's this one, which I have the video, but I haven't posted it yet because I thought I might go ahead and post how I made this one. This is the pearl paints as well. It's like full coverage. Go ahead and post the video how I made this one with the resin video. So I needed to let it dry for a little while before I do that. Isn't it pretty? Look at the sides. Really cool with the Martha Stewart pearl paints. I can't get enough of that stuff, I tell you what. And now I'm starting to mix it with deeper colors. So the light blue or the light pink, I can deepen it with deep magenta, and it still retains its pearly, you know, as long as I don't cut it too much. I can get a little more pearl colors, mixing them and playing around, and that's always fun. I like mixing paint. So to get new colors, you know, and especially with the pearls, and metallics don't work so well. I have a hard time with metallics. But anyway, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing me do resin, and then I will shoot that video for you. I still need to wait about 3 more days because with resin you need to make sure they're fully cured. So anyway, I just want to say hi guys. Hi, and thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to all the people that always comment. They always make suggestions and ask questions. I love hearing from you guys. You guys are the absolute best. And I hope that you guys enjoy this next Dutch pour that I'm about to do. I already did it, so this is after, and I love it. So anyway, I hope you love it too, and I'll see you guys at the painting table. Hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I'm gonna do a Dutch pour today, and I got a lot of different color options. I have some pearl from the Martha Stewart line. I'm really loving these, but they're kind of pastel-y if you only use them because they're light colors. So I decided to incorporate some deep magenta and some phthalo blue also. And I've got some gold. And then this is not the exact color. I deepened this with some deep magenta, and it still has a lot of that pearl in it. So that was a nice way to deepen that. And then I did the same thing with this, which was this turquoise color, because I don't want it looking too Eastery. So I added some of this phthalo blue to come to this more of a true blue pearl instead of the aqua pearl. Anyway, so lots of different colors, lots of fun, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover this canvas in white. Oh, and then I got this is the yellow. I didn't deepen it at all. This is the Martha Stewart yellow right out of the bottle. I'm going to cover my canvas. This is a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped. So pretty. Okay, here we go. Okay, here goes. Okay, so I'm going to start with my deeper colors, I think, on the bottom. Let's start with this phthalo blue. go with some pearls now. Pearl colors. This beautiful purple. And some yellow. And finally gold. A lot of colors. Feeling really colorful lately. Now I'm wanting this to cover most of the canvas, so that's why I went ahead and made a fairly big puddle, if you will. Okay, so I'm going to be using the blow dryer. You know what, just for giggles, I'm going to do this first. Okay, nothing happened. I just wanted to see if anything happened. Okay. Okay, I think now is the time to do this. All right, here it goes, guys. Fingers crossed. Pretty, pretty. Now I got a lot of effects already, so I'm not going to torch it anymore. And I'm going to try to, I'm going to blow on it just a little bit. Wonder why I got so many effects this time. So many, lot. It's unusual. What do you guys think? Should I walk away? Almost don't like the cells so much. It's very pretty, guys. I'm very happy with this. I get a little picky sometimes. I get a little over picky, and I mess with it too much. And this is really pretty. This is really interesting, and I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. And I've got the yellow and the blue, and it didn't make green, which is kind of a nice thing I've noticed about the pearls. They don't seem to mix. So that's really awesome that they don't mix, isn't it? Tell me what you guys think. You guys, I love this. Look at the effects. Does it look like a tree? Like that? It looks like a tree. This is the trunk. And then all the kind of like colorful leaves that are cells. Wow. I am really happy with this one, guys. Excuse my neighbor, he's doing woodwork next door, so it's a little noisy. But I love this one. I love it. It looks like a beautiful tree. It's a tree of life or something. Beautiful colors. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I just love it. It's just so pretty and colorful. I'm really happy with this one. I hope you like it. I know I do. And if you like it, like my video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.